Is your Mazda 6 Apple CarPlay acting up or refusing to connect? Let's walk through 3 simple fixes to get you back on track. Data shows that nearly 80% of connection issues are resolved without needing a dealer visit. Before we dive in, let's look at the most common culprits. Start by inspecting your cable, cleaning your phone port, and performing a hard reboot of the Mazda Connect system. Not all cables are created equal, as many cheap options are designed for charging only, not data sync. Also, double-check that Siri is enabled and that your phone is allowed to access CarPlay while in a locked state. Most issues are software side, but if the USB hub itself is damaged, you might need a professional repair. Data shows that replacing your cable solves the problem in half of all recorded cases. If you're still stuck, perform a factory reset by forgetting the device on both the phone and the car. Keep a spare high-quality cable in your glove box to rule out hardware failure instantly next time. Remember, persistence is key when dealing with these infotainment handshakes. If these steps fixed your connection, let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more repairs.